thank you so much for spending your Thursday morning here with us.
Test alert. Test alert.
Yeah, good morning to you, KGGL.
The emergency alert system.
Looks like they got a new screen. Up. Really, KGO? You fucks. Up. Bro, what the fuck? You dumbasses.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Time now is 5:14. We are learning.
Just in Buffalo, across the country, you fly over to the Great Lakes,
Now
to Western New York, and you connect,
KPYX.
so you can learn about
Republican Party. That's when you
Pennsylvania
start
is
to
doing
really
it.
lose the people. And that's where we were. McCain, Romney, come on. These guys are like Obama light, not so much McCain. So ultimately, my point is, Trump brings the party back to life. And without Trump, we don't have a robust Republican Party like we have
Time
today.
for Pennsylvania to do this.
Anyway, that's my thought. I'm coming right back. Don't go anywhere.
This is America at Night with Rich Valdez. Getting quality employees to fill positions in your company is essential, but finding those people can be a major hassle, unless you use ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter makes finding quality people a breeze. And right now you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. With ZipRecruiter, one click sends your job to hundreds of top job sites. But more than that, ZipRecruiter's advanced technology identifies the candidates with the skills you need, sends you a list of great matches to review, then actively invites them to apply for your job. And the results speak for themselves. 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. That's right, the first day. Now you can focus on your business and let ZipRecruiter do the work finding the best people for you. See for yourself. Experience the ease, efficiency, and power of ZipRecruiter for free. Just go to ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free. ZipRecruiter.com/free.
Hi, I'm Angie Hicks, co-founder of Angie. When you use Angie...
There goes KDK.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
A great deal on a laptop.
Think big on tech for school.
I'm going to see if I can go after other stations.
Largest selection of pools, patio sets, hot tubs, and grills. And as summer winds down, we need to make room so you can take advantage of our annual clearance event.
With legend. Welcome to the program.
We got something. We got a story.
With experience.
That's the game in life. He used to rock his uniform the same exact way I do.
With them.
Give me out.
I don't know if KYW is doing theirs at the moment.
Generally, it doesn't mean that you're going to see an overall decrease in what you're paying, but it does show that those prices are not going up as fast, and that is going to be a lot of relief when you think about the impact month over month cumulatively of how those prices aren't going up quite as much now. Wall Street investors are now all but certain.
Figured I might as well get the activation, because I guess Missoula did a monthly test earlier. I'm trying to figure out when they exactly did it. Jesus Christ, how long does this take?
Test alert. Test alert.
I figured I might as well get this and then call it. Yeah, I guess Missoula did a monthly test today. Then again, I wasn't even anticipating on them doing it until the end of the month. But I guess I was wrong, so. Well, alright then. I'll take it.
Seriously, KGGL?
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Are you fucking kidding me? 30 minutes late? Focus.
This is the Nevada State Police with the August required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Federal, state, and local officials use EAS to keep you informed in the event of an emergency or disaster through your local radio and TV stations and cable providers. This test helps ensure that EAS participants are ready to provide information in a crisis. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert system.
I hoped to have our own.
2, low tonight, 41, and high on Thursday. Radio station with XL25 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated as a signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the weather. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and River Valley. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. AM weather, past conditions.
What do you know? First activation on this thing. Well, I shouldn't say first activation. Generally meaning first weekly test activation that this thing has ever received. So, that's good.